Is this thing working?
I think it is.
There it is.
It always worked before.
What a backdrop, by the way.
I made this myself. Thanks for noticing. And actually, Tony is not being paid to say any of this. This is my wife's cousin who's in town. He had to go and escape the madness and go. That's a pretty good looking hat,
This
right?
is a great looking hat, by the way.
Yeah, I love that. I bought it myself, and I actually wear that too. So my boy Tony is in town. He had to go to Zion National Park down the street to escape all the madness. But while we're here, I figured this would be an excellent time for us to wish you a happy St. Paddy's Day. Now, this is how we do it inside. Most of the celebrations are pretty much nil, but just because they're not celebrating outside, man, somebody gorillaed that bad boy
Oh
on.
my goodness, here.
Here, just grab the top. Put that freaking, there you go. Put that Kung Fu grip right on there. Now hold out yours. Oh wait, we got a little bit of Jameson. A little bit of Jamie. See that?
It's St. Patrick's Day with
Boom.
a little Jameson, right?
It's really,
Or a lot of bit of Jameson, not a little bit, a lot of it.
a wee bit, oh here, guess first. And we're adding with our Jameson a little bit of original Mother's Pucker. Never gets old to say that either. So, from all of us to all of you, a happy St. Paddy's Day, my friend.
From all of us.
From all of
All
us
two of us.
to all of you,
All thousands of you.
happy St. Paddy's Day.
Slancha.
What he said. Till next time, pour well, pour often, PourMan. And we'll see you around.